Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a QuickBooks Online account. First, you will select a subscription plan that best fits your business size and requirements. Next, accurately input your company's legal name, address, and contact details. Then, specify your industry, which helps QuickBooks tailor its features and reporting to your specific business. Finally, choose your business type, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company, to ensure proper tax setup. Now, let's personalize your QuickBooks Online account. You should connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction imports, saving you significant time. Next, set up your chart of accounts, which is crucial for categorizing all your financial transactions correctly. Remember to invite your accountant or bookkeeper. QuickBooks allows up to 2 accountant users. Finally, customize your invoices with your company logo and branding for a professional appearance. Managing your contacts and transactions is a core function. Begin by adding all your customers, including their contact details and any specific payment terms. Similarly, input your vendors, noting their payment terms and any relevant information. You can then easily create and send professional invoices to your clients, tracking their payment status. Also, remember to record all expenses and bills received from your vendors to maintain accurate financial records. Finally, let's explore some essential features. QuickBooks allows you to track all your income and expenses, providing a clear overview of your cash flow. You can generate various financial reports, such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets, to gain valuable insights. It is crucial to reconcile your bank accounts regularly, ideally monthly, to ensure all transactions are accurate. If you have employees, explore the integrated payroll options for streamlined processing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.